Hello and welcome to the channel. Well, it's almost Halloween and I got myself another costume here. This is off of AliExpress, one of my favorite stores to order stuff from. Oh, I cut the bag. That's nice. Oh, I just hope I didn't damage this shirt. Alright, it says 3XL. Yeah, I cut the bag. Damn. Good, it does have the high neck. So I got myself an Admiral shirt. It has the high neck here, which is nice. Now I've got that, and then I got a second package here that was delivered at the same time. Now this should be the pips. Now I hope it's not two sets and just two of them. See how they got them. Ah, okay, it is two of them. Yeah, these were expensive then, because some of the other ones were, it was like $13 for a set. These were $13 each, so I think these actually cost me like 30 bucks. If I'm not mistaken. So I got the pips for on the collar. Which I will pin right here. Awesome. Now I'm gonna have to try this on at some point. It's weird that it's got a zipper at the back. Okay, it's not a very large zipper, and I need to have a shower before I try this on, but I hope it'll fit. I do have a Picard badge coming, but I do also have this old badge that I've had for a while, the Section 31 badge. So if that one doesn't come in time, I can wear this badge. Now this is something I'll probably wear on Halloween proper. And in a couple days, I'm going to a Halloween party and I'm dressing up as a Sith. So I'll use the black mask that I've got and black jacket, my Unsaint coat that I got a long time ago off of AliExpress. Not AliExpress, Etsy. And I got black pants. I'll need to change the belt with those pants because the belt I've got on there is not sufficient for it. And I got black leather boots, my steel toe boots that'll work with that. And yeah, that'll be my Halloween costume for in a couple days. I think that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and have a good one.